If you can't change your brush size in Illustrator or the weight keeps resetting, here's what to do. So here I have a new document in Adobe Illustrator, and the issue many people run into is that if you choose the paintbrush tool and you want to select a stroke weight, for instance 20 points, when we try to actually use the paintbrush, we can see that our stroke weight has now defaulted back to 1 point. And in fact, the default brush is a 3-point round brush, which means that this brush isn't even 1 point wide, it is actually 3 points wide for every 1 point you choose right here. So now, after doing one stroke, I can actually go back and now change the weight to 20, and then I can draw the 20-point stroke, which in fact is 20 points times 3. So this stroke is actually 60 points wide. So this is pretty annoying, and even though this second stroke is kind of a workaround, it isn't actually what we want, and it is not a fix at all. So now let me show you what you actually want to do. So let's delete this canvas and start with a fresh one, just to show you that this is a brand new canvas. So the fix is, instead of just using the brush tool as it is, we actually just want to very quickly create our own brush in which we have much more control. To do this, simply go to brushes right here, and if it isn't open, you can go to window and find it right here. Then go to this button right here that says new brush, then select calligraphic brush and click OK. And inside this pop-up panel, you simply want to change the size to 1 point. This will make sure that our brush is the same size as our stroke weight. And then simply click OK. And now we have our new brush right here. And if you haven't changed the name, it will be called Calligraphic Brush 1. Now we can select this new brush, select the paintbrush tool, and now we can select whatever weight that we want. And this time it will actually be the correct weight. And just to show you that the weight is actually 20 points right now, we can create a circle, make this one 20 points as well. And 20 points and 20 pixels is the same. And let's change the color. And here we can see that these two are the same width. Now you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.